There comes a moment in every man's life when he looks in the mirror and barely recognizes the person staring back. Not because he's weak, not because he's broken, but because somewhere along the way, he drifted. The discipline disappeared. The hunger faded. The standards dropped. The dreams collected dust. He kept telling himself, "I'll start tomorrow," until tomorrow became months, then years. Listen carefully. Your life doesn't fall apart in one day. It falls apart one decision at a time. One skipped workout. One broken promise. One excuse. One distraction. One comfortable choice repeated over and over again. But if your life can be destroyed one decision at a time, it can also be rebuilt. One decision at a time. This is your moment. Reset. Restart. Rebuild. Be reborn. Imagine a forest after a wildfire. Everything looks dead. Black ash covers the ground. Silence fills the air. To the untrained eye, it looks like the end. But underneath the ashes, new life is already preparing to grow. The fire didn't only destroy, it cleared the ground for something stronger. Your failures can do the same. Stop treating every setback like a graveyard. Sometimes it's a construction site. Sometimes life has to burn away who you were before you can become who you're meant to be. Think about a soldier returning from defeat. He doesn't throw away his armor. He studies the battle, learns from every mistake, repairs his equipment, trains harder, then walks back onto the battlefield wiser than before. Defeat is only permanent if you refuse to learn from it. The strongest warriors aren't undefeated. They're the ones who refuse to stay down. Storms reveal another truth. The tallest trees aren't built during sunny days. They're built by surviving violent winds. Every storm forces the roots deeper. Every hardship strengthens what cannot be seen. Your struggles are doing the same, even if you don't realize it yet. You don't need a perfect beginning. You need the courage to begin again. Look at a blacksmith. He places cold steel into blazing fire, then strikes it again and again and again. Every blow seems violent, but every strike removes weakness, shapes strength, creates purpose. Life has been striking you too, not to destroy you, but to forge you. The question is, will you stay in the fire or run from it? Imagine an eagle standing on the edge of a cliff. The first leap feels terrifying. There is no guarantee, only trust. Trust that the wings built through years of preparation will carry it through the storm. You already have wings. You just keep staring at the cliff instead of jumping. The person you want to become exists on the other side of uncomfortable decisions. Most people spend years wishing they could restart. Very few actually do. Why? Because restarting requires humility. You have to admit you were wrong. You have to let go of your old identity. You have to become a beginner again. Pride keeps people trapped. Humility sets them free. Imagine rebuilding a house after an earthquake. You don't paint cracked walls. You don't decorate broken foundations. You tear everything down and rebuild correctly. That's what you must do with your habits, your routines, your environment, your standards. Stop patching a broken life. Build a stronger one. A lion doesn't spend its days mourning yesterday's failed hunt. It hunts again and again, because survival belongs to those who keep moving, not those who keep complaining. The same applies to your dreams, the opportunity you missed, the business that failed, the relationship that ended. Those chapters are over. You still have today. Use it. Fire can destroy. but it also purifies. Gold becomes valuable because it survives intense heat. Your pain has value if you allow it to transform you. Don't waste suffering. Learn from it. Grow through it. Become someone your past would never recognize. Every sunrise is proof that darkness never gets the final word. Every morning life whispers the same message. Begin again. The calendar doesn't create change. Action does. Monday won't save you. Next month won't save you. Next year won't save you. Only your next decision matters. Right now, picture an old ship caught in endless circles at sea. Its sails are torn. Its direction is lost. The captain has two choices: blame the storm or adjust the sails. You cannot control every storm life sends, but you can always adjust your direction. That's what a reset is. Not pretending the storm never happened. Choosing a better course despite it. 1 year from now, imagine looking back on this exact moment. You could still be making excuses, still blaming your past, still waiting for motivation. Or you could barely recognize yourself. Stronger, calmer, disciplined, confident, healthy, focused. Not because life became easier, because you became someone different. Rebirth isn't magic. It's repetition. It's choosing discipline when comfort calls. Choosing purpose when distractions tempt you. Choosing growth when fear whispers, stay the same. Every day you repeat those choices, the old version of you fades. The new version grows stronger. Remember this. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not the worst chapter of your story. Those moments happened, but they do not own you. Your identity is built by what you choose next. So today, reset your mind. Restart your mission. Rebuild your habits. And become reborn through your actions. Because the greatest comeback isn't proving people wrong. It's proving to yourself that you were capable of becoming everything you once believed was impossible. This is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new one. Write it with discipline. Write it with courage. Write it with relentless action. If this message lit a fire in you, then it's time to act. Drop this in the comments right now. I choose to reset, rebuild, and rise, so that I know you stayed all the way till the end. And you will embrace your new beginning, rebuild your life with discipline, and become the strongest version of yourself.